So if your PC battery is starting to give you problems and is dying quickly, on this video I'm going to show you on how to check your PC battery health. So follow me as I take you step by step on how to check your PC battery health. So to check your PC battery health, you hit Windows plus X and then you go to terminal admin, or sometimes if it's Windows 10 it'll be Windows PowerShell admin. That's what you're gonna click. Then we say yes, and then you're gonna type this command, which is power cfg space stroke battery report, and then you hit enter, and then you're gonna copy the path, this path, and paste it on your browser. So copying our path here, copy, and then we go to our browser, then we're gonna paste that path, and then we hit the enter button. So this is our battery remote report. So if the full charge capacity is too low compared to your design capacity, then you need to replace your PC battery immediately. As we can see here, our full charge capacity is lower than the design capacity. It means our battery is now having problems, so we need to replace the battery. So make sure to like, follow, comment, and share this video with your friends for more tech tips like this. This is Wavy the Tech Guy. Dango.